Here's the blue wire from the neutral light indicator, and I have it separated into two pieces. One piece goes up into the neutral switch, and one piece I have a jumper wire on just to make sure that the actual light works when it's grounded. So I'll check that now. Turn on the key, and I will hold the wire onto the case and then go check. And as you can see, the light comes on, the green light. Now I am checking for continuity, so I'll turn off the key. For the wire that goes up into the neutral switch, I am in neutral. I'll tell by I can turn the wheel. So it's in neutral, so I'm connecting this side of the multimeter to ground. Let me get this wire out of the way. So this is connected to ground. And then I will check to see if there's any continuity on this wire going into the neutral switch. And there's nothing there. So it looks like I'm going to have to remove the rear cover and adjust the neutral switch inside unless somebody has another idea. Thank you for watching.